Morning guys, thought I'd do something a little bit different today. Unboxing. Never done one before, so I thought I'd have a go. I've got to unbox it, so and who don't like an unboxing video? It's SGS Engineering's 12-tonne hydraulic shop press. I had quite a bit of stuff from them in the past, but I've never had a problem with any of it. So, yeah, thought why not? One thing I can tell you, straight off the bat, is that box is bloody heavy. So, yeah, let's excuse the mess, I've got parts everywhere. Right, no idea how this goes together. I just thought it comes well packaged, well boxed. There's, yeah, not much chance of it getting damaged in the post. But, right, little box. This is the actual press part. I assume that's the stand or whatever you want to call it that goes around it. Oh, there's a pressure gauge. Let's have a look at that, shall we? I've never had a problem with any of their stuff before, and I've had quite a bit of stuff off them. So yeah, shiny, nice, looks decent enough quality. Right, we'll put that back in the box and put that to one side. Obviously that's filled with oil, ready. What else we got in here? This will be, I assume, the destruction manual. Yeah. Fairly straightforward, I assume. It's not rocket science, it should go together fairly simply. Is that the owner's manual, as it says? Put that on one side. Cardboard, even go a bit of cardboard to keep the bloody manual safe. Oh, that's a heavy grab. Heavy duty bit of kit, I can tell you that. Right. Obviously, I need to go through the manuals on this. That is a heavy duty bit of kit, that. I like it. Heavy, very heavy. I'm not sponsored by SGS or anything, I just thought I'd buy one. There's the pump. Right. Put that on one side. And wood in the bottom to stop it getting damaged to go through the box. Right, that's that box. Get all that to one side. Right, let's see what's in here. I'm going to lay all the parts out. To one side. I have no idea what half of these bits do at the minute. I assume they're pins for the, because you can adjust the height of the. Lot of packaging. Yeah, I'm not sure what any of these bits are right now. There's a nuts and bolts. Everything about this is heavy, so heavy's good, heavy's reliable. Heavy doesn't break very easily. Let's move all this out. Yet again, I haven't set myself up enough room to actually do anything. No, that's sort of inside. Right, they're going to be your upright parts. I've no idea whether I'm getting any of this, even in the video, so filming it on my phone. Without standing behind the camera, I can't tell. Right, let's put that to one side. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Put that on there, out of the way. What have we got here? So that's them. And bits. Can't remember what they're called. Yeah, it's well packaged. And with how heavy it is, how heavy duty it is, it's not likely to get broken very easily in the post, so right. Move that, move that. Move that up there. More boxes for the recycling. Right, I'll skim through the manual, see what it says, and yeah, get it built. Right, so yeah, it's simple enough to go together. It's the instruction manual. Let's see if I can show you on this. It's just step-by-step guide. You've got your, it's painting by numbers, it's simple enough. It took me about 30 minutes to build it. Yeah, it's good enough quality. It's plenty of height, and now it's all together. It's movable. I'm not really sat on a level floor at the minute, and I just thought I'd if I tighten it up, it might go somewhere. Put a few bits of wood under there. You can see it is going down. The handle seems a little bit flimsy. It's not because it's well made, it's just the fittings are really, not because it's poorly made, should I say. I think it's just because there's plenty of spacings between the way it's all bolted together, fastened together. So yeah, so let's get some sort of, see whether this pressure gauge starts working. Ah, there we go, look. Metric tons and US tons. There's 2 ton of pressure on there now. You get a big splinter in the eye. Ah, easy. I've just literally pushed it up to 2.5 tons just using 2 fingers. Happy days, yeah, I'm happy with that. More than over the moon with that. It's as good as anything else I've used. You the only thing I can probably notice that is a little bit flimsy, but well, not flimsy, just a bit. The fittings are really loose. That'll never cause you a problem for as long as you've got the tool. So yeah, that's fully adjustable. Put it where you like. You don't have to mess around bleeding everything in. You just screw it all together and it's ready to go. Job done. Simples. Yeah. Right. I'll be using it at some point. I've got videos I need to. I'll be doing things like this. So this is going to get plenty of use. You get them bits that go on there. Which is all good. Great stuff. Right, thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Like I said, half an hour to build, you can't complain. I'll find a home for it, find a corner to put it in, and yeah, great stuff. Thanks for watching.